we are before the public now for two brief preliminary information. One, it has now been confirmed that the body inside here belongs to Mheshimiwa. Proper identification has been done as provided by the law. Two members of the family have identified the body plus other family members. So the confirmation of the death of the MCA is now certain. Two, there are in total 7 pathologists representing different interests. One, the government chief pathologist. The county government of Nairobi has sent a pathologist. The member of parliament for Embakasi, is it south or north? East, Babu Owenu, has sent 2 pathologists. So in total, we have 7 pathologists, and as we said, anybody who has an interest in this matter is free to come with their pathologists. Alongside the pathologists, there are more than 15 experts from the DCI, from the government analysts, from the forensics part, and the scenes of crime. Equally lastly, the laboratory, there is a representative of a lab that has been sent here to come and take samples. We shall be updating you as the progress goes. I'll hand over to Mr. Mheshimiwa Alai to say something for